This will teach you how to manage your website. So this is your home page. You scroll down, you'll see this login link. Here you're going to log in. Your login is going to be Ron and your normal password that you use for everything. Okay, so this is your admin part of your site. There's really only two things you're going to ever use: write and manage. Write is if you want to put a new web page or a new blog post on your site. Manage is to manage an existing one. So first let's manage, just so you can see how that works. So you can manage a post or a page. You'll see there's only one post. It's Hello World. That if you view your site, is right here, Hello World. We can also manage a page. You have two pages, About and Contact Me. You can see that here, About, Contact Me. Let's edit the About page. About, click Edit. You'll see this text. So let's put Ron Slate is a nice guy. We're just going to save it. So now if we come back here and click on the About page, we should see that text. Ron Slate is a nice guy. So now let's write a new page. We'll click Write, go to Write Page. So sometimes it's defaulted to Write Post. So you just want to make sure that it's on the right one, or else you're going to put your text in the wrong spot. So let's write a privacy page. Every site needs to have a privacy policy. Privacy. I'm not going to write a whole thing right now. Okay, good. So now if we go to your website, you'll notice there's Home, About, Contact Me, and then if I refresh it, all of a sudden you have this new privacy page. This is what I wrote. Very, very simple. So let's go back. So let's manage. So let's say you don't want your privacy page anymore. Well, let's just delete it. Come back, go back to your home page, and boom, it's gone. Now let's say you want to do a new blog post. Now a lot of your newsletters that you have been releasing, they're going to be like new posts. So let's do one just so you see how I do it. We're going to hit write a new post. Now what I did is I went into my inbox and double clicked on one of those files that Miles Weiss sent me, and that file was this one, Fall 2002 issue. I would title it, I would probably make every one of these a separate blog post. So the first one would be this. So I'm going to copy it. We're going to paste it right in here. Although actually it shouldn't be in all caps. So let's just fix this. Now let's just copy the rest. Okay, I'm just going to see if it copied a bunch of crap. It didn't. Sometimes when you copy text from Microsoft Word into here, it'll copy a lot of Microsoft Word formatting and it'll mess stuff up. So if I go into the code, I can kind of see if it's doing that, but you don't have to worry about that right now. So now the only thing that's different, normally you would just, if you want to write something, it's just boom, it's just you just write it, there you go. But you wrote this in the fall 2002, so I actually want to just put a date on that. So I'm going to come down here to the post timestamp, and I'm going to change the date to fall, October 1st, 2002. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to probably create a new category called newsletter. Actually, I shouldn't do that. We need to create some categories for you. Maybe divorce. What else would this be about? Well, you have to see what else this is about and create categories for it. So let's just do publish. Now if we go back to your site, we should see a new post in here. Ah, there you go. 2002. All right there for Google to index. The last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete this post since this is just a bullshit post. So we're going to go to Manage, Posts. Here's this Hello World one, and then here's when a divorce proceeding is commenced. I'm going to hit delete, say OK.